Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix an internet connection error on your laptop when it says no internet even though your laptop is connected to the internet. I know it can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it within a minute. To start fixing the issue, simply click on the start menu and search for internet options. Once you have found it, open it and a dialog box will appear. Click on the Connections tab and select LAN Settings. From here, make sure that Automatically Detect Settings is checked and uncheck all the other options including the Proxy Settings option, then click on OK. Next, click on OK again and let's try to see if our internet is working or not. As you can see, we have successfully fixed the issue. And that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more tech related videos like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below.